Hello everyone, how is everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the reading. So today, because I'm taking the Ganesha cards, I would suggest in the morning if you can start your day with Om Gam Ganapati Namaha 108 times. When you're doing that, burn a ghee lamp, and in that ghee lamp add 1 star anise and burn, indicating that all obstacles are going from your life and you are being blessed with good health and happiness and also abundance, because star anise also brings in luck and happiness along with health. So somewhere I feel you need to work on that, and today I feel the color has to be light green. I have this feel that some of my readers need a lot of healing to. It's not just healing in terms of health; it can be to heal the emotional pain that they are undergoing. It is also to heal the hurt which they have been facing. It can be in your personal life or it can be in your career, but there is some hurt and pain because of which I feel you need to work on light green today. Also in the morning, if you can add a little bit of rose water to your bath water and then have the bath, it's actually good. So let's see what is in the cards today for you all. Positive outlook. So maybe Vignaharta is also saying the same thing, that be positive and be determined. And somewhere when I'm seeing this, I feel again, if you see here, there's a lot of clarity and healing needed. At the same time, I feel you need to look at things from a different point of view and just not get upset as to why things are going the way they are going. Maybe that also has a reason, and maybe that is happening for a different cause. But why is it happening? Let's see why is it happening. Priorities. Maybe you are not making the right priorities. Maybe you are not doing things the way you need to streamline and do, and that is the reason things are not happening in your favor. Maybe sit down today and make a list of things that you need to finish and prioritize them. Plan it and see which has to be done first, what has to be done next, and how do you intend to finish that work. So maybe when you do that, what will happen is, I see this as a blessing of a butterfly also at the same time, which is an angel blessing. So things will go in your way and you'll be happy that you have achieved and the outcome is successful. So maybe there is a planning which is needed, and because of that lack of planning, things are not happening the way it is supposed to happen and things are going haywire. So you, even now is the time for you to decide and plan and then move forward and be successful. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.